Hi, my name is Bill, and I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF using your Microsoft Edge browser on a PC. It's very simple. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to open the Microsoft Edge browser on our PC. You can often find an icon for your desktop on your desktop that looks like this. It's a blue and green wave. Another way to do it is click in the type here to search box and type the word Edge. And there I see the Microsoft Edge browser. I'm just going to press enter and it's going to open the Microsoft Edge browser. And at this point, we need to open up a PDF in the Edge browser. Now, often this is just as simple as clicking on a PDF that has been attached to an email that you were sent. Very often it will open up in the Microsoft Edge browser, which is usually the default PDF program. If that doesn't happen, you can save the PDF somewhere on your computer and then open it from the Microsoft Edge browser. So to open up a PDF from the browser, you take your two fingers and you press down the Control key with one finger and the O key with the other. That's Control O, and you navigate to the spot where your document is. So I've opened up my document. All right, now the next thing we want to take a look at is this toolbar right here. This has everything you need to sign the document. The first thing I like to do is find this fit to width button. And when I click on that, it makes everything a little bit bigger and easier to see and easier to sign. Now I'm going to scroll down in the document to get to the signature section that I need. Now I'm ready to sign the document. So I look for this draw button on the toolbar. I'm going to click that. If I want, I can select ink properties by clicking on this down arrow. I'm going to choose blue, and I'm going to leave the thickness over here on the far left. I click on that arrow again to make it disappear. And then I go down there. And you'll notice that my mouse cursor has now turned into a little pencil. Now I can sign the document. If I have a touch screen, I can sign the document using my finger or a stylus. I don't have a touch screen, so I'm going to use the mouse. You can also use the touchpad on your laptop. When you're using the mouse or the touchpad, you press down the left click button, and then you move the mouse to sign your name. I don't worry too much about my signature looking really the same way as I use a pen, because it's really hard to replicate it like that. And I kind of have my own style when I sign this way, and that's okay. It doesn't have to be as neat as when I use a pen. It just has to be my signature. And I look at this and I'm quite happy with this signature. Now I'm going to go up here to the add text button, and I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click in the date line, and I'm going to type the date. All right. And I've got the date on there now. And now if I make a mistake, I can click on erase, and it will, when I highlight it, it gives me a little eraser, and I can erase things that I want to correct, and I can redo them. I'm going to turn off the erase. Now let's take a look at these three icons here. If I want to print the document, I can print here. If I want to save it and overwrite the original document, I can click this icon. If I want to save as, I can create a new document. I'm going to choose Save As. Click on that. And then I'm going to give a name to the document. And then I'm going to click the Save button. And now I have saved the document. Now I can take that document and I can email it to someone. I can attach it to an email and send it to someone. And that's how you sign a document using the Microsoft Edge browser.